How do you solve this next equation? Observe. To solving it, first of all, you have to do away with this radical, this root, and this root. Follow this video to the end and see how it be dealt with. So, as it is here, 3 root 3 and also root 3 equals to 81 to the power x. All you do here is you square both sides. If you do that, then you're going to do the first root. So these two will deal with the first root. Now what you have here will be 3 root 3 and be equals to this 81. You can write it as 81 power 2x. So let's see now. We then need to square. What we do here, let us try and reduce this one. Divide both by 3, this and this. So root of 3 will be equals to 81 divided by 3 could be written as 81 power 2x divided by 3. Can you see it here? So root x is 3 equals to this 84. We can break it to 3 to the power 4 or to the power 2x divided by 3. Can you see how simpler it is becoming? This root 3, you can write it as 3 raised to the power 1 over 2 and will be equals to 3 to the power of 8x minus 1 because this one is to the power 1. So we can comfortably cast out the bases. So what it has to be 1 over 2 equals to 8x minus 1. So 8x will be equals to 1 plus half. So 8x will be equals to 3 over 2. So to do away with the coefficient of x, you multiply both sides by 1 over 8. 1 over 8. Can you see it? So this one will give. So now x will be equals to 3 times 1, 3 over 2 times 6, 2 times 8, 16. That's all. The value of x here is 3 over 16. And that is the final answer. Thank you for being here. Let's meet in my next video.